Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing fine. So, I'm here to share you a great offer that is going on. Guess where? At Indian Shala. Yes, Indian Shala have launched the end of season sale. You can now get the highest ever discount on the online trainings that they are providing. If you are new to Indian Shala is an online platform for students and working professionals to learn, upskill and earn. Not just earning the highest stipends ever doing internships, but also giving us industrially relevant certificates. So, now let me share my screen so that you can see what all Indian Shala trainings to which you can get enrolled. Keep in mind that this offer is valid until 30th June. So, now let's go.
So what you have to do is first log into this Indian Shala platform and go to this online training section. As you can see from my screen, these are the trainings you can see on programming. There are 17 online trainings on the programming section itself. Programming with Python, web development, ethical hacking, Android app development and so much more. R programming, Git and GitHub, and even the trainings on how to ace coding interviews as well. On the business management section, you can get the training on digital marketing, advanced Excel, business communication skill, trading certification for beginners, how to start up and SQL as you can see. All these trainings do have the duration of 6 weeks to complete as well. On core engineering one, you can see data science, and on the design section you can get as many trainings to start your career and upskill. It doesn't matter if you are a student or working professional. For art students, Indian Shala is giving 4 online trainings. See, you can get the trainings on creative writing, guitar, photography and calligraphy. And you can complete all these trainings while sitting at home and getting so much benefits after completion. I will jump into the benefits by the end of this video. Until then, let us explore what other trainings are they offering us. You can learn French language here, and for career development you can even get training on internship and job preparation. All these trainings at 80% off, which is valid until June 30th. So wondering about how to enroll, just sign up with Indian Shala if you are new and check on to the online training section. Just click on know more on the training you want and voila, at 999 you can get any training that you like. And by checking at the training highlights or on the top section, you can see the syllabus, the projects that they will teach us, the placement, about the teachers. Every kind of details are there specifically mentioned within the site itself. If you have any kind of doubts, you can check on to frequently asked questions as well. And if you are wondering why you should take this training, you can get answers to those questions as well here. You can see the reviews from the students who have already enrolled, and see industry recognized certificate is also provided by them.
So, what are you waiting for? Check out the links in the description box and find the trainings that you like and get enrolled. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share this video to someone who will find this offer helpful. Until my next video, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.